too easy. Looking for a challenge, need a new reason. Hate to sound sleazy, but love it when you're teasing. And shorty, I don't want it if it's too easy. Off that ozone, I've been too breezy.
Hi everybody, I am Melanie Marie and this is my first official YouTube tutorial. When I tell you, y'all have been on my butt about starting this YouTube. So I'ma listen. Today I will be showing y'all how I achieved my pipe cleaner curls. The first step, you always want to start off when you're doing curls, wetting your hair, making sure it's damp. You never want to start off with dry hair because your curls, let's be honest, they're not coming out right. So this hairstyle will definitely make you look like you ain't got no type of hang time. I was definitely walking around looking like Shirley for a good week. No hang time at all. Look how short this is. I love it. Like I got a little bob going on.
Yeah, what's up? You know the B.O.B. so they call me you Bob. Stop playing, nigga. Nothing on for the Bob. Yeah, this is my little stitch wig. You know the motherfucking vibes.
Okay, so first step, you are going to cut the pipe cleaner in half. You can also fold it, but I like to cut it in half because I do pipe cleaners a lot in my hair. So we're just going to use the other half for next time.
Purchase your tracks today.
So step number 2, I tried to get close to the camera so y'all can see how I lock the bottom. And after you lock that bottom, you're just going to kind of swirl it up, however you want to say it. You're going to twist it up, okay? As you're going up, you're going to want to push that lock down because once you take the pipe cleaner out, it will give that really bouncy look. And y'all know I love a good bounce. Once you get to the top, you are going to lock it in place once again. And if you have any extra, like you see at the top of my head, just cut it off. Make sure you don't cut your lock. Okay, shake, bitch, shake. Make sure you don't cut your lock off, y'all. Please don't. Do not want y'all blaming me. Don't be mad at me. Do not be mad at motherfucking me. And I do apologize for me looking so dead, y'all. This is like 1:30 in the morning. And when I tell you I was tired, you're going to see later on in this video how tired I was. Y'all, this is my last pipe cleaner, so I was extremely happy. I know you can't see my face because once again, I was tired. I was honestly just ready for this to be over with. But I will say I have over 100 locks. I don't know how many y'all have, but I have over 100 locks. So this was very time consuming doing a lock one by one. I should have just, put a couple together, which you can do. You can put a couple together and do it that way, maybe like 3 or 4. And I think you'll be good. But baby, we finally finished. And at the end, I don't know if you can see my face, but right now it looks like I'm like, oh God, I like that cartoon. I don't know if y'all know what I'm talking about, but hold on. Now we are going to do the takedown process. And baby, you cannot tell me my name is not Shirley Temple. Do you see how bouncy these curls are? Do y'all see them? Hold on. So let's not take down your hair like how I just did that first one, because that was absolutely wrong. I don't know what I was thinking, but that wasn't it. So I'm gonna show you the right way. Once you get the hang of pretty much unlocking the top of the pipe cleaner and the bottom of the pipe cleaner, you're just gonna pull it straight on out, and it's that simple. Repeat all over your head, and you basically gonna be done. At this point, I was ready to go to bed. I was tired. I don't know why I keep choosing to do these videos at night. But hey, here we are. You see the finished product. Baby girl is curling, living. The curls are curling. It did what it needed to do. It came, it saw, it conquered. Do y'all see that bounce? Bounce with me, bounce with me. Just so y'all won't say I'll be leaving y'all hanging with the products. The products I usually use is Peculiar Roots, and I will be dropping every product that I've used in this video in the description box. And don't worry, because I have a code for y'all. Make sure I use the code Melanin Marie whenever you are using Peculiar Roots products, period. I actually put another pipe cleaner in that one right there and just left it, and you couldn't even tell that the pipe cleaner was there. And while we're here, let me know if y'all want the makeup tutorial for this too, okay? Because I can do a little makeup tutorial. That ain't no problem. That ain't no problem. Thank y'all so much for watching my first YouTube video. This was a journey for me. This is very new to me. So if y'all have any advice, please feel free to drop below in the comments. Like, subscribe, all that.
Off that ozone, I've been too breezy.